Are you looking for a home in Cedar Grove, New Jersey? Just a short distance from Montclair, Verona, and New York City if you have to commute. This home is going to be perfect for you because it's newer construction. You have to do nothing but move in. It's 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a complete open floor plan. Just take a look at this gorgeous black and white kitchen I'm standing in right now. I cannot wait to give you the tour. So if you're interested, come on the tour with us today. We're at 23 Sweetwood Drive in Cedar Grove, New Jersey, and let's go.
Beautiful newer construction home. Everything is so updated and modern. I love the smart technology throughout. So you have an open floor plan here, the living room, gorgeous windows, lots of sunlight entering the home. And then it goes right into the kitchen that has been completely updated with all smart appliances, stainless steel, black and white, modern look, center island with breakfast bar, ton of cabinets. And I love this countertops, the black and white. It's so unique and so beautiful. Beautiful subway tile, open floor plan. This kitchen is absolutely amazing. You're gonna fall in love.
Thank you so much for coming on the tour with me today of this beautiful home located at 23 Sweetwood Drive in Cedar Grove, New Jersey. It's a beautiful fall windy day today, and this could be your home by the winter time. So if you want a private tour or some additional details, please let us know. We would love to help you. It's Jocelyn from the Jocelyn Russo Group, and remember, who you work with matters. We'll talk to you soon.